Hello Internet, we are students of SPY chapter ANDC and this is a vlog about the history of SPY, Society for Photo-Optical Instrumentation Engineers. SPY is an international non-profitable professional society for optics and photonics technology whose main aim is to promote the scientific research and engineering application in the field of optics and photonics. SPY regularly partners with researchers, educators, and industry to advance light-based research and technologies for the betterment of the humankind. This is done by organizing and funding events, conferences, exhibits, and much more. Even though there are more than 20,000 members now, SPY had a humble beginning when it was founded in July of 1955. It took an year to reach 100 members and 5 years to reach 1,000, but surely and steadily, the numbers kept rising and since then there has been no looking back. There is so much richness in history that sometimes when things are getting overwhelming, it is best to take a step back and appreciate how far we have come just so that we can develop an appreciation for all that we have in our lives. And so today, we decided to dust off the history books and take a brief look into the history of SPY chapter, which has provided so much for students like us and the scientific community. The story starts on July 1st, 1955, when it was founded by Robert L. Volz in California. The Society of Photographic Instrumentation Engineers is founded to specialize in the application of photo-optical instrumentation, though the name was later changed to the present name Society of Photo-Optical Instrumentation Engineers. The first local technical meeting was held in Los Angeles on August 8. In 1957, the first SPY newsletter was published. The first National Technical Symposium is produced. Membership in SPY reaches 200. 1961. Membership in SPY reaches 1000. George W. Goddard Award is established to recognize exceptional achievement in optical or photonic instrumentation for aerospace, atmospheric science or astronomy. 1963. SPY holds its first technical seminar type conference and publishes its first official proceedings on image enhancement. 1967. Demand for technical conferences continues to grow. SPY meets demand by offering 4 more technical conferences and supporting proceedings. SPY income reaches $50,000. 1973. National headquarters moved from Redondo Beach to Palos Verdes, California. SPY holds 11 technical conferences. The annual meeting is held in San Diego, California for the first time. 1977. The Gold Medal of the Society Award is established to recognize outstanding engineering or scientific accomplishments in optics, electro-optics, or photographic technologies or applications. The society headquarters is moved to Bellingham in Washington. SPY income reaches $1 million. Membership is 2,000. The 100th proceeding volume is published. 1981. To reflect its rapidly changing membership and fast-paced technology, the society name is officially defined as SPY, the International Society for Optical Engineering. The society celebrates its 25th anniversary in San Diego, California, with a record of 21 technical conferences, 160 instrument displays, and 18 tutorials. SPY reaches milestones of 4,000 members and 5,000 exhibitors. 1995. SPY celebrates its 40th anniversary. 2000. The SPY Scholarship Committee awards over $220,000 in scholarship and grants. Alfa-Rov wins the Nobel Prize in Physics for his role in developing semiconductor heterostructures used in high-speed optoelectronics. 2015. The United Nations International Year of Light and Light-Based Technologies is celebrated through the photonics community. With so many achievements, it can no way do any justice to just list them, and yet you can't help but feel proud to be a part of the world with so much good happenings. Looking through not only SPY but any other history too, you realize that even such a big organization began with so little and yet they are where they are today, because of the dedication and hard work by its members, which is inspiring to everyone. And on that happy note, we end the video here and hope to see you again.